Geneva, May 28. Reuters. The European Union told the World Trade Organization's dispute settlement body on Monday that it had acted within days of a WTO ruling to bring its funding of planemaker Airbus into line with WTO rules, a trade official who attended the meeting said. But a U.S. representative at the meeting said that it was hard to give credence to the EU's assertion and called for serious discussions to resolve the long-running trade dispute, although Washington was prepared to seek countermeasures if necessary, the official said. Reporting by Tom Miles, editing by Stephanie Nebahay. Our Standards. The Thomson Reuters Trust Principles.